Hey everyone, welcome. My name is Ghost, and today I have a bit of a different video to show you guys. Wanna see? We're gonna be unboxing a sewing machine. So, if you're interested, stick around. Down it goes. And here you go. A completely different type of video or unboxing that I normally do, or things I normally do. A sewing machine. I know most of you probably are here for my keyboard content. This is a new hobby I have, a new thing I'm starting to do. It'll probably be the only video regarding this I'm gonna do. But I honestly think this machine is a very cool machine. It's very beautiful, I love the design of it, and I thought it was cool to show it in the channel. But so that's why I did it. And honestly, I don't regret it. I think it's a cool video and a cool machine, and I wanted to show it off. So guys, thank you so much. I don't know what I'm going to do unboxing next, or which keyboard I'm going to be doing next or setting up. But I'll let you know. If you have any questions about this and other hobbies I do, or anything in general, just let me know, related to the channel of course. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!